Are you looking to optimize your PPC campaigns? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Vendasta, one of the most powerful tools for PPC campaign management. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be sharing an exclusive way for you to get access to Vendasta for free, along with some amazing bonuses. Let's dive right into how to optimize your PPC campaigns with Vendasta. First off, Vendasta helps streamline your entire digital marketing process, allowing you to easily manage multiple PPC campaigns from a single dashboard. This centralization is crucial because it saves you time and keeps all your data in one place. Whether you're running ads on Google, Facebook, or other platforms, Vendasta gives you the tools to monitor and adjust your campaigns from one spot. Next, Vendasta's intuitive reporting tools allow you to track every aspect of your PPC campaign's performance. You can quickly see which ads are bringing in the most clicks, which keywords are converting, and where you're losing money. This level of transparency makes it easier to make data-driven decisions and fine-tune your strategy for maximum results. The third thing you can do with Vendasta is automate your bidding strategy. Instead of manually adjusting bids, Vendasta uses AI to help you automatically adjust bids based on performance. This saves you time while ensuring that you stay competitive in your market without overspending. Next, you can optimize your landing pages with Vendasta's powerful tools. Landing pages are a critical part of any PPC campaign, and Vendasta provides B testing features that let you experiment with different page layouts, copy, and calls to action. This helps you find the version that converts the best, which ultimately increases your return on investment. The fifth thing is Vendasta's ability to integrate seamlessly with other marketing tools. Whether you're using email marketing, social media, or CRM platforms, Vendasta works with the tools you already use, making it simple to create an integrated marketing system that amplifies your PPC campaigns. Finally, the software includes insights into your competitors. By analyzing what other businesses in your niche are doing, you can uncover gaps in your own campaigns and capitalize on new opportunities. This competitive edge can make all the difference in optimizing your PPC campaigns. Now, remember I mentioned that you can access Vendasta for completely free with some special bonuses? That's right, click the link in the description below to unlock an exclusive extended trial and start optimizing your PPC campaigns today. So to recap, Vendasta is a complete solution for PPC campaign optimization, offering everything from centralized management to AI-powered bidding, detailed reporting, landing page testing, and seamless integrations. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial through the link below. This exclusive offer is only available for a limited time.